Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add text boxes or text blocks to your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI. Let me go with this one here. Navigate also to your slide or card on the left hand side. Let me go with this slide here, number 4. And in the next step guys, click into that button here, basic blocks to the right, and take a look at that list of available text boxes. You can add a title, heading, heading 2, or a block quote, for example, or an info box, or various lists. I will go for normal block quote. To do that, guys, left click into it and drag it onto your slide and position it. You will see the new position indicated by that blue line here. So let me position it. You can add it to an already existing content block or any URLs in your slide here or above your slide, even there. So let me add it to the bottom of that slide here. And there you go. Now you can customize your text box. You can add example text, and you can, for example, customize that text by highlighting it. Let me go with bold letters, a different text color. You can go with a large text, for example, and you can also create a footnote, add links or hyperlinks to your text. Customize it, and that's basically it. If you'd like to move that text box, simply click into that handle here and reposition it. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.